What is up, guys? Basic Programming here with another video, and I don't have my microphone yet, so I'm sorry for the audio quality. But today I'm going to be starting a series where, now I know I have a lot of series going. I have 3 series going, one of which I'm probably going to be dropping out of, which is the Impossible Quiz. But we'll see. The other one I'm still going on, and I actually have a video for it, and it will be uploaded tomorrow. And this one, which is basically still programming, which is what my channel is about. So what it is it's going to be called Improving Master, and what that is, oh my god. Okay, see, when you download a lot of stuff, this is what happens. So I will try and uninstall that later, but for right now I can't. So I'm going to be building the website, building the app, the Master Updates app, and I'm also going to be coding on Master while explaining to you guys what I'm doing, and also just talking to you guys one-on-one. So, first off, we're going to take the code that we have, and we are going to paste it in here. This was what I copied and put it on my USB drive and took it to school to edit, and this is what I came back with. This is for my this is my website. So we save changes, and I don't think we have. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, no. That's not even included. What? Oh my gosh. I don't have a cPanel login. Is it gonna let me even go to here? Dang, I wish I would have had this set up before I went on this. So this is for home. Code editor. Forbidden. Maybe? Well, you there? Okay, that's forbidden. We're gonna have to exit out of that. Exit basic online. Gonna click on this. Oh my gosh. I don't have a username. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got it working. I had to log back out, log back in. But now we're back online. And it's because I shut down my computer, went to school, came back, and the usual. Okay, edit. Now we want to select all and paste. No, I'm not copying. This is simply the actual code that I had to write in study hall. So we're going to save changes. And you'd be shocked on how many things I get to fix my computer because there's so much viruses on it. So we're going to create a new tab here. We're going to go to www. What did I do with this? mastersoftware.pcriot.com. Computer. Now we're gonna have to change this because right now this looks awesome when you're on a phone, but on a computer it doesn't look that appealing. So I might do the computer over here and the thing right here so that it doesn't take up that much space in the computer, and it doesn't look that bad on the phone. So we're gonna click on this, screw you, add, and here's what we get. Whoa. Okay, that's a problem. A way we can fix that would be maybe to put a lowercase a. So we're going to open up a new tab. We're going to go to ASCII table. So much work. This is what I have to do all the time. ASCII table. Of course, that was the wrong one. ASCII table. There we go. Lowercase a. You want to get out of here. After this, I'm definitely gonna delete that. That's just pissing me off. What was it? A with an upper thing. So maybe if I take that and put it right about. Okay, where's my? Oh my god! This over here, this over here, and right here. Paste that. So it changes. Refresh this page. Refresh it again. Oh, of course. Okay, so now our next option is to open. This is how we get so many tabs. How to put ASCII characters in HTML. See, I know how to do it in Batch, which is by putting those little letters, but I don't know how to do it in HTML. This is actually the first time. So, how to put ASCII characters in HTML. How to use ASCII characters in text. Use ASCII characters. Find a reference chart that gives you codes to your purpose. Any ASCII character charts include the ASCII number codes and hexadecimal and HTML numbers as well as names. Find the similar character you want to include in your document. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, I know what to do. HTML number. Of course. This is the only one of the websites that I know that doesn't have the ASCII characters that I want. The complete table of ASCII characters is right here. So I want this one. No, I don't want that. I want this one. HTML code right there. Copy that. Open up this. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Then we're going to paste it right there. We're going to save the changes. Ugh, I get so frustrated when I don't, like, I always see the HTML code. I'm like, no, I'm coding in Batch. I don't need the HTML code. And then when I actually don't know how to do it in HTML, my mind is just blown. Come on. This is normally so fast, but since I'm recording, everything goes slower. Huh, of course. Hold on. And there it is, guys. We got it. This wasn't working. I had to log back out, log back in. This never happens, but okay. So now, here's my idea, first of all. Before you guys think, like, what are you doing? Oh. That makes me mad. So, I want this to say 100. I want this to say only 1%. And I actually should delete this, but I just wanted to hear so I can see how my 3 should be. Because each version, so that, like, if, let's say it takes me a month to come out with the new software, I don't want me to not post for a month, because then people will think, oh, maybe I stop the project like I do most other things. So, every day or two, I'm going to be saying 2%, maybe 5%, making a lot of stuff done, 10%. This one's already done, this one hasn't even been started, but I don't want the 1% there. Maybe I want it like right here, like in the middle. So I'm gonna try and click center, because see, here's how I made this. This is a table, okay? So maybe since this is its own cell space, like it's just because there's no border. Like, okay, let me show you an example because this might be really confusing or it might come to you very easily. So in table, if I type in border equals quotes 5. That's not a quote. What just happened? I don't even know what just happened. 5. Quote space and then I say changes. Are you kidding me? Okay, luckily it just took a little bit. I thought I was gonna have to log back out and back in again, but I didn't. So here's what I mean. Refresh again. You always have to refresh it twice. Okay, see, here's the board. Here's the table. I just added a border quick so you guys can see. So this is a table in here. It's just I just didn't add borders to it, and I'm gonna take these away once I'm done. But if I do a center in here, will it just center in this, or will it center the whole damn table? That's what I'm worried about. So let's see if that works. So we're going to go in the C panel. We're going to delete this border because we don't want that, and then we want to go to center. We want to recentering this one. So now if I center this, I don't know if I should have centered the space. I don't think it'll even count it in. Oops. Let's find out. You gotta refresh. I don't really like that. I don't know why did it. I mean, it centered it. It centered it, but it didn't. I don't like that. Okay. Yeah, okay. Please get away from me. If I keep wasting time on this stupid ads, so it does that, but it takes it down for some reason. VR center, VR, you know, I don't know. Maybe let's delete this space. That probably won't do anything, but delete the space. Oh. No, that did not do anything. So, I don't know what we're gonna do there. But, so today basically all we got done was I showed you my code, showed you what we're doing here. Next time we will definitely fix this. We'll figure out how the loading bar is gonna work. Version 3.0 will be out soon. And with that being said, that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Website link will be in the description. And peace out.